So coming from out my car, it just everything look up to date. Look, he got performance pages, waiting for those to load. Tell you your power, your 0 to 60 temperature, G-force, engine, dyno. Let me rev and see. All right. Yeah, man, just it looks up to date. Like, put on sport mode, doot. But you know we gotta have that thing on sport. You know what I'm saying? And just like the feel of an up-to-date charger, man, that don't feel amazing, bro. Like, it's crazy, especially having this. Look, he has sport mode, super track. He got all that, man. Oh, copyright. But I'm trying to get to the home page real quick. I don't know how to get to the home page, but this thing got Apple CarPlay. This thing got everything you can name. Like, it's crazy, bro. Well, it's time to take it on a test drive. Look, with chargers, man, this thing have a lot of room in the back. And I'm gonna show y'all the outside once again. Little Hemi thing. He just got us a 2020. Hearing my thing, man. I'm gonna get me a Scat pack in a minute. Alright, man. Now I'm gonna take this thing on a test drive. You know, I'm short. Gotta up the seat a little. Let's see if this thing, what it's talking about. Oh shoot, it's a little jumpy thing. Got that thing in manual real quick. It already feels like, it just feels firm and heavy, like how a charger's supposed to feel. Like, devices. Alright, look, bruh. Take this right here by this light. Let them boy have it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a real RT. Big 90. What you talking about? Let me hear those downshifts. That thing in first. No, shift allowed. That's crazy. Shifts is up on point though. Why does not letting me go down though? There we go. Probably because I was higher in speed. When you get a muffler delete on this thing, man, this thing gonna sound crazy. Oh yeah, I feel the power. Like you're trying to give me all the power at once, man. Imagine putting a pedal box in this thing. Man, this gonna be crazy. Tire thing. Oh yeah, big RT thing. And like the shifts, it's like so responsive. Like it's quick. Like, but like, what's wrong with people, man? People hate that. And like the exhaust sounds so deep. Let me take it out of. Alright, is that a manual? The exhaust sounds so deep and firm. Like I don't know. Like in my Charger, it's like my Charger just loud. Like I got straight pipe. My Charger just loud and it screams. Like I think when he get a muffler or resonator, both of those deleted, like it's gonna be like a deep growl. Like I don't know, it might be close to a Scat pack. You never know, man. But overall, man, this 2020 thing feels amazing, man. So far, so good. My boy gonna be doing a lot of mods to this thing. Just wait, y'all boy. I would at the end of this video, man, we're gonna try to make him a YouTube so he can start this YouTube with us, man. Get him right out here on this YouTube. I'm gonna do like one more little pull for y'all boy. I think 12 up here. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this gonna put you back in your seat. Yeah. Y'all boys stay tuned, man. We gonna put the pedal box in this car right here. Like, it's crazy. I didn't even have traction on. Let me start the jump for you. Alright. But yeah, we gonna try to make him a YouTube, man. Get him right on this YouTube. Cause you know, it's only right, you know. Try to get our boy on this YouTube thing, man. But yeah, they got low mileage, man. Look, just look how it looks on like the cluster, like the numbers, like when it's going up and it's so big, like it just, I don't know, it's just satisfying. Like looking in here, like it's everything like up to date. Coming from my car, man, Dodge did a great job. Dodge did a great job, man. But soon, y'all see me in can't let y'all know that. I might let y'all know. I might give y'all a sneak peek. I might also let y'all know, man. Well, I'm trying to get the Scat pack, bro. 2 more months. Very, 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 very soon, I'm getting a Scat pack. I'm definitely getting that Scat pack. Like coming from my thing, I was thinking about camming. Let me know in the comment section, man. Should I cam my 2013 RT? What's wrong with you, man? I got the right of way. You got a stop sign. People just can't drive. Like that shit. It's just wow. But yeah, let me know in the comment section. Should I cam my RT? I'm thinking about putting a 392 cam in it. So you see my boy right there. That's my RT thing right there, man. But yeah, if y'all boy like this video, man, make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Hemi Twinz, and we out, man.